If you're looking for a quick, easy, but yet delicious Christmas dessert, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I made this dessert for Easter and I'm switching it up a little bit for Christmas. So I am making Christmas cake bars. It has very few ingredients, but I'm telling you, this dessert was a huge hit at Easter time when I made it the last time. So I thought I'm gonna make a Christmas version of it. So let me stop talking, we'll go over all the ingredients. We'll get started then. Alrighty, so I have some white morsels, unsalted butter, 1 yellow cake mix, 2 eggs, and 1 bag of red and green M&Ms. And that is all the ingredients we're going to need for this delicious dessert. Alrighty, so I turned my oven on so it will preheat to 350. In the meantime, I have a 9 by 13 dish here that I'm spraying with PM. Or you can use parchment paper if you'd like, but I prefer to spray it. We're going to put that aside. Now I have my bowl here. We're going to dump in 1 package of the cake mix. I have my butter here. I have 1 stick of unsalted butter. We're going to put that in the microwave now and melt it. Alrighty, let's see what we have here. Oh no, that's pretty much melted. Not quite. I might have to put it back. Oh, I'm splashing. Might need to put it back in just for a few more seconds. Yeah, I'm going to put it in just for a few more seconds. Alrighty, we are all melted. Just give it a good stir. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and melt the 1 stick of butter and then pour it in our cake mix. Now we're going to add in our 2 eggs. Okay, now let me quickly wash my hands. Alrighty, now we're just going to go ahead and mix this up. It should get, once it starts mixing, it should become like a cookie dough mixture. There we go. You can start to see that forming now, huh? Just get all that flour, I'm saying flour, the cake mix in there. There we go. Get it off the sides. Look at that. See that? Nice. Alrighty. Definitely is becoming more difficult to stir. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of the white white morsels. We're going to fold those in. Okay, and I'm just going to spread that out a little bit in the bowl. And now I have my M&Ms. I just put, the recipe calls for 1 cup, but you're dividing it. So I have 3/4 cup of M&Ms, and then the rest of the cup we're going to put on top of our bars. So we're going to mix this in really well. Isn't that pretty? Does that look like Christmas already or what? Look at that. So make sure you get those M&Ms mixed well so you have the color dispersed throughout. You can see it's like cookie dough consistency for sure. Just fold that in. Alrighty. Okay. Oh, and my oven just came to temperature. Alrighty, so now we have our bowl, or our pan, 9 by 13 pan, and we're going to put our cookie bars right in here, the dough, right in the pan. Oh my goodness. You don't want to leave any in that pan or bowl. Alrighty. Now we're going to spread this out, which is not the easiest thing to do. It's not hard. It's just a little tough because it's like cookie dough. We're going to spread this out in our pan. Take that off with my clean hands. Alright. You see how it can be a little bit challenging, but it's not super hard or anything. Just need to make sure it's spread out. And you know what? Let's put our little pad down there so this doesn't slip all over the place and make noise. Alright. Just want to make sure it's nice and even and it's not higher in one spot than the others. So I said this can be a little challenging, but bear with me. Trust me, it's well worth the challenge here. It's not hard, it's just a little challenging. All right, looks like we're getting there. Corner. Just need to kind of smooth it down here. I think we're almost there. There we go. Here. Okay, now we're going to take that other 1/4 cup of M&Ms. Just sprinkle it on top like that. And you know, if you have sprinkles, more like the Christmas jimmies, you could throw them on there. I'm going to look and see if I have any. I didn't even think to look until I'm working on this now. I'll go check out and see if I have any, because if I do, that would look really nice. So, okay, you just want to press it down just a little bit so that it'll stick in there, not like shove it in, just press it down. Alrighty, let me go ahead and wash my hands real quick. Alrighty, I did not have any of the jimmies. You do not want to put like the sugared topping on there. What do you call it? The sugar, what is it called? Sprinkles. You don't want to do like sugar sprinkles or anything like that. You definitely want it to be the jimmies because it'll like melt and spread out and change the color. I did not have any, so we're just going with this, which is still beautiful as you can see. So the oven is at 350. We're going to put this in for about 20 to 25 minutes. We want to make sure the edges start to pull away a little bit, so we'll check back at the 20 mark just to check. Alrighty. Alrighty. Oh, it smells so delicious. Look at that, friends. Look. Look, 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 look. Ooh. Alrighty, here it is. Does that look beautiful or what? We're going to go ahead and let it set and cool down, and then we'll go ahead and plate it up and do our taste test. So I will see you very shortly. Alrighty, I think we're cool enough that we can go ahead and cut some and do our taste test. Alright, let's try this out. Let's see what we have here. Look at that. Ooh, look, does that look delicious or what? Let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. Alright, my friends, so here it is. Looks like a big old cookie. Mmm. Oh man. It's so good. It's like a mix between a cookie and a cake. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Alright my friends, so that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. And friends, apparently there's a new thing out there where you can hype a video. You can just press on the little hype button, and it'll send my video out to a lot more people. I mentioned this in a previous video. I am looking to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I literally am like 25 subscribers away from that goal. So I'm hoping I can get to that by the end of the year. So if you can help me out and help me reach that goal, I would really appreciate it. So friends, thanks so much. I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.